Hey everybody, welcome back. Let's talk about commands. Now we're actually going to get into programming and how it works in AppGameKit Studio. So commands are the built-in functional statements your program is made from, and they tell the computer what to do. Commands are reserved words, which just means that you cannot use their names for anything else. So we want to be able to do set window title as a variable, or set window size as a global variable, or anything like that. We have to use it um, specifically for what they are designed to do. Again, if you don't know what a specific command does, so any one of these blue ones are going to be commands. If you don't know what these do, left click with your mouse at the beginning of the command, hit F1 on your keyboard, and it will bring up a full description of what that does. Also, we can talk about syntax, and the term syntax refers um, to the set of all commands in a computer language, basically. So uh, it's the proper way to use a programming language. So the most basic commands in AppGameKit are just a single word like do, loop, if, exit, and there's many more. Uh, but the more complex commands allow you to pass certain data called arguments to the commands that will affect what they do. So the following command of set window size, the 12 or 1024 by 768 with 0 in the full screen section here are going to be the arguments that we're passing into that command. So this one is the command. These are the arguments. And all right, guys, that's going to be it for this one, and I'll see you in the next one.